Hello students, welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's ROSE project for year 2021 and 22. It is for 11th science and it is conducted by Yashwantrao Chauhan Institute of Science, Satara. So now we will see what are the vector operations. Means what are the different operations which are made on the vector. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, like that. From that, first is multiplication of a vector by a scalar. If we have a vector, and then we can multiply it by a scalar. So what will be the effect? We can denote it as vector q bar is equal to s into p bar. So what is the original vector? If p bar is the original vector, and if we multiply it by a scalar, say s, so s is the scalar and p bar is the original vector, then a new vector q bar is having the direction which is same as the original vector p bar, but its magnitude is s times the p bar. S times the magnitude of p bar. म्हणजे p bar ची magnitude जर p अशी आपण लिहिली तर p into s, this is the magnitude of new vector q bar. So this is very simple operation, first operation. Next, it is the addition and subtraction of the vectors. So first we will see when we can add or subtract 2 or 3 or 4 many vectors. First condition for adding number of vectors or subtracting a vector from any vector is that those vectors, all those vectors should be of same type. Means they should be of same physical quantity. Means vector of a force must be added in the another vector of a force only. Force cannot be added in velocity, isn't it? आपण कुठलीही गोष्ट ऍडिशन करत असताना 2 पेरू आणि 4 आंबे मिळून किती झाले असं विचारू शकत नाही. 2 आणि 4 6 आंबे पेरू असं म्हणू शकत नाही. तर ना आंब्याचे ऍडिशन करताना आंब्यातच केली पाहिजे, पेरूची ऍडिशन पेरूतच केली पाहिजे. तसंच या ठिकाणी सुद्धा वेक्टरची ऍडिशन करताना आपण सेम टाइपचे वेक्टर असणं आवश्यक आहे. ठीक आहे. आणि मगाशी जसं आपण रिझल्टंट वेक्टर बद्दल बोललो होतो, resultant vector म्हणजे असा वेक्टर की which produces the same effect as that of the effect produced by all those vectors. म्हणजे if we add or subtract 2 or more than 2 vectors, the resultant vector or the answer which we get, it is having net effect of all those vectors which are added together is same as the single vector which we obtain after that operation. म्हणजे ऍडिशन केल्यानंतर जो वेक्टर आपल्याला मिळणार आहे त्याला आपण रिझल्टंट वेक्टर म्हणणार. आपण डेफिनेशन मध्ये रिझल्टंट वेक्टरच्या बघितलंय. तर त्याची ऍडिशन केल्यावर जो एकच रिझल्टंट वेक्टर मिळेल त्याचा इफेक्ट हा कसा असला पाहिजे? इट इज सेम नेट इफेक्ट ऑफ ऑल दोज वेक्टर्स विच आर ऍडेड टुगेदर. ओके. आता हे ऍडिशन करताना सुद्धा डिफरंट केसेस वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीने आपल्याला ऍडिशन करायला लागते. फर्स्ट केस आपण कन्सिडर करूया. समजा इफ इंडिव्हिज्युअल वेक्टर्स आर पॅरलल टू इच अदर, दोन्ही वेक्टर्स एकमेकाला पॅरलल आहेत. म्हणजे समजा एक वेक्टर मी इथं काढते. इफ दिस इज द वेक्टर, से दिस इज वेक्टर, हियर इट इज ए, हियर इट इज बी. सो ए बी बार वन इज वन वेक्टर and here it is C. So BC bar is another vector. They are parallel. किंवा एका खाली एक काढायचे असेल तरी तसे पण आपण काढू शकतो. समजा हा एक वेक्टर आहे आणि हा दुसरा वेक्टर आहे. याला मी AB म्हणते आणि हा आहे BC. If I want to add them together, the new vector, this is the starting point and this is the end point. So the new vector will be AC bar. So this is new vector. If they are parallel, it is very easy. If it is of 5 centimeter or say 2 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter, इथे सुद्धा समजा हा 3 centimeter आहे, हा 2 centimeter आहे, तर ह्याचा रिझल्टंट किती येणार आहे? तर 5 येणार आहे. म्हणजे मॅग्निट्यूड्स विल ऍड टुगेदर अँड डायरेक्शन विल बी द सेम ॲज दॅट ऑफ द direction of two vectors. Both are in same direction, so resultant which we obtained by adding them together, it is also same direction. लक्षात येते, दोन जर पॅरलल वेक्टर्स असतील तर येणारा रिझल्टंट जो ऍड केल्यानंतर येणारा रिझल्टंट त्याची डायरेक्शन ही सुद्धा त्या दोन्ही वेक्टरला पॅरललच असेल, म्हणजे त्याच डायरेक्शन मध्ये असेल, फक्त मॅग्निट्यूडची ऍडिशन होईल. सो वी कॅन राईट मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ रिझल्टंट AC बार इज इक्वल टू AB बार प्लस BC बार. म्हणजे मॅग्निट्यूड सेम असेल. हे मॉड्युलस, हे लक्षात येत आहे ना, मॉड्युलस साइन इज फॉर मॅग्निट्यूड. सो मॅग्निट्यूड इज द ऍडिशन ऑफ द मॅग्निट्यूड्स. दोन्ही मॅग्निट्यूडची ऍडिशन करायची आणि डायरेक्शन काय असेल, सेम ॲज दॅट ऑफ द इंडिव्हिज्युअल वेक्टर्स. नाव इफ इंडिव्हिज्युअल वेक्टर्स आर अँटी पॅरलल मीन्स अपोजिट टू इच अदर. आता तुम्ही थोडस इमॅजिनेशन केलं असेल तर तुमच्या लक्षात येईल, one vector is in this direction and another vector is in opposite direction. Say this is AB and if this is BC, then if its magnitude is 5 and this its magnitude is 3, then what will happen? Total magnitude is 5 minus 3, it is 2, means the subtraction. Opposite आहेत म्हणजे anti parallel आहेत. We will see how we can write it as magnitude of the resultant AC is equal to AB bar minus BC bar magnitude, and we are talking about the magnitude म्हणून AB 5 आहे minus 3. It may be like this, की समजा मी असं काढते थोडस तुम्हाला समजण्यासाठी, की पहिला AB वेक्टर आहे तो मी लहान दाखवला आणि दुसरा जो BC वेक्टर आहे तो मोठा दाखवला. म्हणजे मोठा म्हणजे मॅग्निट्यूड लहान मोठी, डायरेक्शन्स आहेत त्या अपोजिट आहेत. So its magnitude of first AB vector is say 2 and magnitude of BC vector it is 3. 2 and 3 किंवा 2 and 5 anything. Then AB ची vector ची value 2 येईल minus 3. So it is not minus 1. We are talking about the magnitude. So magnitude is always positive. So here it should be the modulus. So modulus means magnitude, means minus 1, modulus of minus 1 is 1. Magnitude is always positive, म्हणजे निगेटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू जरी असेल, म्हणजे हा जर आपण हा 2 पॉझिटिव्ह धरला, हा अपोजिट डायरेक्शन मध्ये आहे, हा म्हणून निगेटिव्ह धरला, तर याची मॅग्निट्यूड किती आहे, हा जरी -3 असला तरी याची मॅग्निट्यूड 3च. मॉड्युलस ऑफ -3 इज 3. ओके, सो दिस शुड बी रिटन ऍक्च्युअली इन, म्हणजे मी हे याच्यामध्ये थोडं तुम्हाला हे करून दाखवते की AB मायनस BC चा मॅग्निट्यूड येणार आहे. ओके, मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ AB मायनस मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ BC and magnitude of that subtraction. So magnitude of the resultant is subtraction, but what is the direction? If they are anti-parallel, direction of the resultant will be of the longer vector. सरळ आहे, तुमच्या लक्षात आलं असेल की पहिला वेक्टर लॉंग असेल आणि दुसरा वेक्टर शॉर्ट असेल, तर जो रिझल्टंट येईल तो या डायरेक्शन मध्ये येईल. बरोबर आहे. जर उलट असेल, म्हणजे जर पहिला वेक्टर हा पहिला वेक्टर शॉर्ट असेल म्हणजे मॅग्निट्यूड कमी असेल and second vector is having larger magnitude, then its resultant is having the direction of larger value, larger vector. म्हणजे ज्या वेक्टरची मॅग्निट्यूड जास्त आहे त्या वेक्टरची जी डायरेक्शन असेल ती रिझल्टंटची डायरेक्शन असेल. ओके, the next operations are the operations when vectors are not exactly parallel or anti-parallel, but they are having certain angle between them. So we cannot add them or subtract them so much easily, but we have to apply some laws. So we will see that in next part.
After discussing about the addition or subtraction of parallel or anti-parallel vectors, today we will see how the vectors which are inclined to each other can be added together. So first two vectors which are inclined with each other, they can be added using triangle law of vector addition. first we will see what is the statement, and in that statement what are the important points. We will see that statement point wise. So what is the first point which we have to take into consideration while adding two vectors which are inclined to each other is that, first thing, that two vectors should be of same physical quantity. Their physical quantity should be same, means just like the addition when they are parallel or anti-parallel, same rule will apply here. Velocity will be added to velocity, force will be added to force, like that. Then how these two vectors are represented for triangle law is, they are represented in magnitude and direction by two sides of triangle. But how to these two sides, how they are represented? See, if I have a triangle, this is the one side and this is the other side. If these two are the vectors, vectors should be denoted by arrow. And if I write the triangle as, say, A, this is point B and this is point C, then this is the triangle. If these two sides are represented in magnitude and direction by two sides, means, say, if these two sides, then how these two sides must be? This is the important. Taken in order means what? Taken in order means if first vector is A to B like this, in order means second vector should start at the end point of first vector, means AB and BC. These should be the directions of two vectors. So these two vectors, these two sides of triangle represent two vectors taken in order, means A, B, B, C. थोडक्यात आपण जर त्रिकोण काढत असलो तर पहिली साइड काढल्यानंतर त्याचा तिथला हात न उचलता तिथूनच दुसरी साइड ज्या वेळेला सुरू होते, we can say these two vectors can be taken in order. Then what will be their resultant? Their resultant is, I will rub this now. Their resultant is represented in magnitude and direction by the third side, as I have shown. If this is the triangle and I denote it as ABC, and as discussed earlier, AB is the first vector, then taken in order means BC should be the second vector. So their resultant is represented in magnitude and direction by the third side. But what is the third side? Third side is the vector. Remember that well. We are adding vectors. So resultant is also vector. So vector can be as AC or CA. Then which is the resultant? AC or CA? For that, we have to see that resultant should be drawn in opposite sense. Means what? First two vectors are drawn in this sense, AB to BC. And if I draw C to A, then it is in the same sense. But this is AB and BC, and I am drawing it from A to C, then it is in opposite sense. म्हणजे आपण पहिले दोन वेक्टर in order, taken in order असं घेतलेले आहे. This is two vectors are in order, म्हणजे AB, BC. आणि तिसरा वेक्टर मात्र जो रिझल्टंट घेणार आहे त्यावेळेला आपण परत सी पर्यंत आलो तर सी पासून सुरू नाही करायचंय, तर starting point of first vector to the end point of second vector. So AC is the resultant. So this is about the triangle law, and you can join these 4 or 5 points together to have the statement. That is, if two vectors of same physical quantity represented in magnitude and direction by two sides of triangle taken in order, then their resultant is represented in magnitude and direction by the third side of triangle drawn in opposite sense. This is the statement. We can show it in picture. जे आता मी तुम्हाला दाखवलं तसंच. If this is the vector A bar, I can write it as, so this is A bar, this is B bar, C, they are taken in order. Then resultant is A plus B bar. This is the vector. So A plus B bar is taken in opposite sense, means starting point of first vector to the end point of last vector. In second diagram, we see that this is vector A and this is vector B. So this is not taken in order. जर आपल्याला taken in order म्हणायचं असेल तर आपल्याला हा B vector असा काढावा लागेल. in this sense. So that can be written as minus b. So this vector is a minus b. जर आपण असा घेतला a b आणि मग इथून b to a घेतला तर b हा निगेटिव्ह यायला पाहिजे. सो इट इज a minus b. Okay. So that is all about the triangle law of vector addition. Now by using triangle law, we will prove two laws or two rules which can be applied to the addition of vectors. First is vector addition is commutative. Commutative means even if we change the sequence of the vectors of addition, then also resultant will remain same. Means if we add p bar plus q bar, then if it is the resultant r bar, and if we see q bar plus p bar, then also resultant is the same. For that, this is the diagram. अगदी डायग्राम वरून तुम्हाला एकदा का रूल ट्रायंगल लॉ कळला असेल तर लगेच कळेल बघा. कम्युटेटिव्ह लॉ म्हणजे p बार प्लस q बार इज इक्वल टू q बार प्लस p बार. तर येते का बघूया आपण. त्याच्यासाठी या डायग्राम मध्ये बघा ट्रायंगल OAB हा ट्रायंगल घ्यायचा आहे. मी इथे सर्कल करून तुम्हाला दाखवते. दिस इज O, दिस इज A, दिस इज B. So this is the triangle OAB. Then in that, this is OA is P bar. We will see what are the additions. OA bar. Second vector I have taken is AB bar. So OA bar plus AB bar, according to triangle law, they are taken in order. So OB bar will be the resultant. So this is OA bar plus AB bar is equal to OB bar. But what they are named in the diagram? OA bar is named as the P, AB bar is named as Q bar, and OB bar is R. So it is P bar plus Q bar is equal to R bar. Now we will see another triangle, that is OCB. Now I will rub these notations जे annotate केलेलं आहे ते. आणि आता दुसरा ट्रायंगल घेऊया OCB, वरचा ट्रायंगल अपर हाफ मधला. So for triangle OCB, again C, OC bar plus CB bar, this is OC bar plus CB bar is OB bar. Now you can apply triangle law very well. Then again put the values of these vectors. OC is Q bar, CB is P bar, so Q bar plus P bar is R bar. So see equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation number 1 is P bar plus Q bar and second is Q bar plus P bar, and they are the same. So we can prove that vector addition is commutative. Second rule is there, that is vector addition is associative. Associative means if we have three vectors, then say A, B and C, then and we want to add them together, first we can add A plus B, A bar plus B bar, and in the resultant of A plus B we can add C. अशा पद्धतीने आपण तिघांची वेक्टर ऍडिशन करू शकतो. किंवा A बार सेपरेट ठेवून आधी B बार प्लस C बार ची ऍडिशनचा रिझल्टंट काय येतोय हा आपण बघू शकतो आणि त्यामध्ये A बार मिळवू शकतो. तर ह्या दोन्हीची व्हॅल्यू सेम येते, त्याला म्हणायचं असोसिएटिव्ह लॉ. म्हणजे सिक्वेन्स इफ वी वॉन्ट टू ऍड more than 2 vectors, 3, 4 vectors, then we can add any 2 vectors first and then the third one. Okay. जे आता सांगितलं तेच A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Bracketed quantity ही एक सिंगल क्वांटिटी आहे असं लक्षात घ्यायचं त्याच्याकडे. For that I have again drawn the diagram. आता परत तुम्हाला हे सगळं लिहायची गरज नाही. You can see from the diagram. बघा आपण जसं लिहिलंय तसं करत जाऊया. A bar plus B bar. See in the diagram. So in diagram this blue vector is A bar and this PQ or multicolored vector it is B bar. So what is A bar plus B bar in diagram? सांगा मला. A bar म्हणजे OP plus PQ, it is OQ. So this is A plus B. See here, this is A plus B bar vector. A bar plus B bar हा वेक्टर आला. त्याच्यामध्ये कोणता मिळवायचा आहे? प्लस C bar. So in this A plus B we have to add C. This green vector is C. So A bar plus B bar plus C bar, it is equal to R bar. हा C bar triangle laws आपण प्रत्येक ठिकाणी apply करतोय. So it is R bar. Now see right hand side. So A bar plus B bar plus C bar. So we have to find out first B bar plus C bar. हा vector आधी find out करूया. So where is P? This multicolored vector PQ bar. This is B. This is B bar. So this B bar plus C bar. So this is green vector is C bar. So B bar plus C bar is this vector is B bar plus C bar. हा बघा हा B bar plus C bar आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये काय ऍड करायचंय? A bar. So this B bar plus C bar plus A bar. Where is A? This A bar. Blue vector. So A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Again this will be R bar. So in both the cases, resultant vector turns out to be the same. So vector addition is associative. So this is the triangle law of vector addition. And the next which we will see is law of parallelogram.